Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neat facts to discover the world, one click at a time. Ever heard the saying, good things come in small packages? Amazon parrots are a group of colorful and intelligent parrots belonging to the genus Amazoa. Here are some interesting facts about them. Keep in mind that while Amazon parrots can make wonderful pets for the right owners, they require a lot of time, attention, and mental stimulation. Proper care and a stimulating environment are essential to keep them happy and healthy. Always consider adopting from reputable sources or supporting conservation efforts if you are interested in having an Amazon parrot as a pet. Amazon parrots continue to captivate people with their beauty, intelligence, and engaging behaviors. As you learn more about these remarkable birds, it's important to remember the significance of conservation efforts and responsible pet ownership to protect their populations and well-being. These remarkable facts showcase the depth of the Amazon parrot's intelligence, communication skills, and complex social behaviors. They are truly fascinating creatures that continue to intrigue researchers, conservationists, and pet owners alike. As you appreciate these birds' uniqueness, it's vital to support conservation efforts and promote responsible pet ownership to ensure their well-being and survival. Number 1. Diversity. There are over 30 species of Amazon parrots, and they are native to various regions of Central and South America, including the Caribbean islands. Number 2. Colors. Amazon parrots are renowned for their vibrant plumage, which often includes shades of green, blue, yellow, red, and orange. Some species also have patches of other colors, like white or purple. Number 3. Vocal abilities. These parrots are excellent mimics and can mimic various sounds, including human speech and environmental noises. They can develop an extensive vocabulary and often form strong bonds with their human owners. Number 4. Intelligence. Amazon parrots are highly intelligent birds, making them popular as pets. They are capable of problem solving and can learn tricks and commands with proper training. Number 5. Longevity. In captivity, Amazon parrots can live for several decades, with some individuals reaching ages over 50 years or more. Their long lifespan makes them a long-term commitment as pets. Number 6. Social behavior. In the wild, Amazon parrots are highly social and often form flocks. They communicate with each other through calls and vocalizations, which helps them maintain group cohesion and warn of potential dangers. Number 7. Diet. Amazon parrots are primarily herbivores and consume a diet of fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetation in their natural habitat. In captivity, they should be provided with a balanced diet, including fresh fruits and vegetables. Number 8. Conservation status. Some Amazon parrot species are listed as endangered or vulnerable due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect these beautiful birds and their habitats. Number 9. Nesting habits. In the wild, Amazon parrots typically nest in tree cavities. They are monogamous and often mate for life. They lay eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them and caring for the chicks. Number 10. Playful and affectionate. Amazon parrots are known for their playful and affectionate nature, but they can also be feisty and assertive. Early socialization and training are crucial for developing a well-behaved pet. Number 11. Subspecies. Some Amazon parrot species have multiple subspecies, each with slight variations in appearance and range. For example, the blue-fronted Amazon, Amazoa estiva, has several subspecies, including the popular pet species, the turquoise-fronted Amazon, Amazoa estiva xanthopteryx. Number 12. Flight. Amazon parrots are strong flyers and can cover long distances. In the wild, they travel in flocks in search of food and suitable nesting sites. Number 13. Favored habitats. Amazon parrots inhabit a range of habitats, from rainforests and woodlands to savannas and coastal regions. Some species are even found in arid environments. Number 14. Strong beaks. Like many parrot species, Amazon parrots have powerful beaks used for cracking open nuts and seeds. This beak strength can also be a challenge for pet owners, as they need appropriate chew toys to prevent boredom and destructive behavior. Number 15. Sleeping habits. In the wild, Amazon parrots typically roost in large groups high up in the trees. They often create a cacophony of calls and chatter during their pre-sleep rituals. Number 16. Molt patterns. Amazon parrots undergo molting, a process where they shed old feathers and grow new ones. During this time, they may become more irritable and have altered behavior due to hormonal changes. Number 17. Playful personalities. Amazon parrots are known for their playful and entertaining antics. They enjoy interactive toys, puzzles, and activities that challenge their intelligence. Number 18. Breeding pairs. In the wild, Amazon parrots form strong pair bonds during the breeding season. They engage in courtship displays, including mutual preening and regurgitating food to each other. Number 19. Vocalization and communication. Each Amazon parrot species has its distinct vocalizations. They use these calls not only to communicate with their flock but also to establish territory and warn of potential threats. Number 20. Legal protections. Many Amazon parrot species are protected by international and national laws due to their endangered or vulnerable status. It is illegal to trade in wild-caught parrots or keep them as pets without proper permits. Number 21. Feeding adaptations. Some Amazon parrots have specialized adaptations for feeding on certain types of fruits or nuts. For example, the yellow-naped Amazon, Amazoa auropalliata, has a specialized tongue for accessing palm nuts. Number 22. Fledgling period. Baby Amazon parrots have a fledgling period when they leave the nest and learn to fly. During this time, they are vulnerable and still rely on their parents for protection and food. Number 23. Feeding on clay licks. In the wild, Amazon parrots are known to visit clay licks, which are exposed patches of clay soil. Consuming clay helps them neutralize toxins found in their diet, such as unripe fruits and seeds. Number 24. Dancing and head bobbing. Amazon parrots can display entertaining behaviors, including head bobbing and dancing, especially during their courtship rituals or when they are excited. Number 25. Handedness. Similar to humans, Amazon parrots can be left or right-hand-footed. They tend to prefer using one foot over the other for various tasks, such as eating or holding objects. Number 26. Cuddling and affection. Many Amazon parrots enjoy physical contact with their human companions. They might seek cuddling and head scratches when they feel comfortable and bonded with their owners. Number 27. Famous Amazon parrots. Amazon parrots have featured in various movies, TV shows, and advertisements over the years, which has contributed to their popularity and iconic status in the world of parrots. Number 28. Cognitive abilities. Amazon parrots have demonstrated impressive problem-solving skills and memory retention in research studies. They can learn from experience and adapt their behavior accordingly. Number 29. Body language. Amazon parrots communicate not only through vocalizations but also through body language. They may fluff up their feathers, raise their crests, or extend their wings as a way to express emotions or communicate with other birds. Number 30. Bathing. Amazon parrots enjoy bathing, whether it's by playing in a shallow dish of water, being misted with a spray bottle, or taking a shower with their owners. Number 31. Flocking behavior. Flock cohesion is essential for Amazon parrots, as it provides safety from predators and facilitates finding food sources. In captivity, they may view their human family as their flock. Number 32. Vocalization patterns. Amazon parrots are more vocal during certain times of the day, such as mornings and evenings, which are typical times for activity in the wild. Number 33. Role in seed dispersal. Amazon parrots play a crucial role in seed dispersal for many plants they consume. They carry seeds in their crops and deposit them far away from the parent plant, helping with forest regeneration. Number 34. Feather preening. Amazon parrots are meticulous about grooming their feathers. They use their beaks to clean and align their plumage, which helps to keep their feathers in good condition. Number 35. Flight speed. When flying, Amazon parrots can reach impressive speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. Number 36. Nesting sites. In the wild, Amazon parrots are known to use the same nesting sites year after year, often returning to the same tree cavities or hollows to raise their young. Number 37. Mimicking other birds. Amazon parrots are not only talented mimics of human speech and sounds but can also imitate other bird species and even mimic other animals in their environment. Number 38. Bilingual skills. Some Amazon parrots that are raised in bilingual households can develop the ability to understand and respond to commands and phrases in different languages. Number 39. Tool use. In the wild, certain Amazon parrot species have been observed using tools. For instance, they may use leaves or sticks to extract insects from tree bark or crevices. Number 40. Problem solving. Amazon parrots have shown problem-solving abilities in captivity, such as figuring out how to open locks, untie knots, or access food hidden in puzzle toys. Number 41. Prevalence in pet trade. Amazon parrots have been widely sought after as pets due to their intelligence, vibrant colors, and ability to talk. Unfortunately, this demand has led to illegal wildlife trafficking, posing a threat to wild populations. Number 42. Flight calls. While in flight, Amazon parrots often communicate with flock mates through specific flight calls, helping them maintain cohesion during their movements. Number 43. Flocking at feeding sites. At feeding sites, Amazon parrots exhibit social behaviors and often feed in groups, which provides them with additional protection from predators. Number 44. Community roosting. During the non-breeding season, Amazon parrots may form large communal roosting sites, where multiple flocks come together to sleep in a centralized location for added safety. Number 45. Vulnerability to habitat loss. One of the significant threats to Amazon parrot survival in the wild is habitat destruction due to deforestation and human encroachment. Number 46. Vocal dialects. Different populations of Amazon parrots can have specific vocal dialects that distinguish them from other populations of the same species. Number 47. Caching food. In the wild, Amazon parrots may hide food items, such as nuts or seeds, in crevices or tree branches to eat later. This behavior is known as caching. Number 48. Wild foraging. When foraging for food in their natural habitat, Amazon parrots can be seen using their strong beaks and feet to manipulate and open various food sources. Number 49. Hybridization. In some regions, different species of Amazon parrots can hybridize, resulting in offspring with characteristics of both parent species. Number 50. Seasonal movements. Some Amazon parrot species are known for undertaking seasonal movements, moving between different habitats in response to changing resource availability. Number 51. Feather iridescence. In certain lighting conditions, some Amazon parrots display iridescence in their feathers. This phenomenon causes the feathers to appear to change colors as the bird moves or the light angle changes. Number 52. Long-term memory. Amazon parrots are known for their exceptional long-term memory. They can remember past experiences, people, and locations, even after a considerable amount of time has passed. Number 53. Wild snacking. In the wild, Amazon parrots may visit mineral-rich clay licks not only for the nutritional benefits but also to interact with other parrots from different flocks and establish social bonds. Number 54. Breeding displays. During the breeding season, male Amazon parrots perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females. These displays may include bowing, head bobbing, and showing off their colorful plumage. Number 55. Nocturnal activity. Some Amazon parrot species, like the black-billed Amazon, Amazoa agilis, are known to be more active during dawn and dusk, exhibiting crepuscular behavior. Number 56. Conservation success stories. Conservation efforts have successfully helped some endangered Amazon parrot species recover. For example, the Puerto Rican Amazon, Amazoa vittata, has seen increased numbers due to captive breeding and reintroduction programs. Number 57. Seasonal breeding. The breeding season for Amazon parrots can vary depending on the region and species. Some species breed during the rainy season when food availability is at its peak. Number 58. Personality traits. Amazon parrots are known for their individual personalities. Some individuals can be outgoing and extroverted, while others might be more reserved or shy. Number 59. Vocal learning. Amazon parrots have a specialized vocal learning system that allows them to imitate and learn new sounds by listening to others. This ability is crucial for their remarkable mimicry skills. Number 60. Playful bathing. When given the opportunity, Amazon parrots may splash around and play in water dishes or bathe under running water. Bathing helps them keep their feathers clean and healthy. Number 61. Lateralization. Research has shown that Amazon parrots, like some other animals, have a preference for using one side of their body over the other for certain tasks. This is known as lateralization. Number 62. Social hierarchies. Within a flock, Amazon parrots may establish social hierarchies to determine dominance and access to resources such as food and mates. Number 63. Adaptability. Some Amazon parrot species have adapted well to urban environments and can be found in urban parks, gardens, and even city centers in their native range. Number 64. Endangered species. Unfortunately, several Amazon parrot species remain critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals left in the wild. Number 65. Diverse vocal repertoire. Amazon parrots don't only mimic human speech and other sounds, but they also imitate a wide range of noises from their environment, including other animals, musical instruments, and household sounds. Number 66. Dancing to music. Some Amazon parrots have been observed bobbing their heads or moving rhythmically to music, showcasing their sense of enjoyment and appreciation for sounds. Number 67. Emotional intelligence. Amazon parrots have displayed emotional intelligence, forming strong attachments to their human caregivers and other pets in the household. Number 68. Communication with eyes. Amazon parrots can use their eyes to communicate. Dilated pupils may indicate excitement or curiosity, while pinning their pupils might signal aggression or stress. Number 69. Vocal disguise. In the wild, Amazon parrots have been observed lowering their volume or changing the pitch of their calls to avoid detection by potential predators or poachers. Number 70. Play behavior. Amazon parrots engage in play behavior, which serves to develop cognitive and physical skills, as well as fostering social bonds. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more facts videos.